Hey guys, I'm Jack, and for the last 7 months we've been rebuilding our vintage Caravan we have here, and we have chosen to go with a fully off-grid Renogy setup. And today we're going to be talking about the Renogy Smart Shunt 300 and the Renogy One Core touchscreen we've got here. We'll start with the Shunt. It's pretty much a battery monitoring system, super simple to install. It's got an inbuilt Bluetooth module which allows us to connect to our Renogy One Core here, and it tells us everything we need to know about our whole power system. So if you jump over once it's connected to the One Core, we can now see how many days are left based on our current power consumption. You can see what our battery percentage is. We're on 100% at the moment. How many amps are coming in from our solar setup. And you can also see how many amps are being drawn when you're using power. You've got the date, the time, and all that kind of stuff there as well. We've also got our MPPT controllers for our solar setup connected to this via the BT2 Bluetooth modules that Renogy offer, as well as our DC-DC charger, which allows us to charge our power system while we're driving. We can see everything we need to see through this one touchscreen. Another cool option the One Core has is an RV leveling system, so we don't have to guess anymore if our Caravan is level. We can just jump on here and have a look on the screen and it will tell us exactly where we need to be. The One Core also has the option to connect to Wi-Fi to keep the whole system updated on the latest Renogy software. If we jump over to here to the Shunt 300 on the screen, we can see our voltage, 14.34 volts. We can see the temperature that our batteries are at, 19.3 at the moment, and a whole heap of other information that is very helpful. It's called the One Core, and it really is the core of our power system.